So let me be honest with you, my friend. I stay at home mom, and you've been secretly wondering if there's a way to make money here on social media by just using your phone, my friend, without having an experience, without having a laptop, and without leaving your kids, my friend. You're not crazy thinking like that. So what I'm about to share with you, it's not one of those scammy online things, my friend. So in this video, I'm going to show you 6 simple side hustles that beginners are using to make money online. And I promise you, my friend, number 3 on this list can completely change your life. I know exactly how it feels like to be stuck as a stay-at-home mom, watching your husband work every single day and just feeling good that you can't help financially and wondering how you can help without getting a 9 to 5 or without leaving your kids. Because I have been there. I remember seeing my husband stressed out every single day, missing family time, asking myself, what can I actually do to help financially and still be there for my kids? And here's the good news, my friend. You don't have to leave your family, you don't have to leave your kids or get a 9 to 5 for you to help financially. Before I get started, if you want to understand exactly how these all income streams work together, my friend, because I know exactly how overwhelming it is, seeing all these ways to make money online and wondering how they work together. That's why I've put everything I used for me to start my online business in one simple step-by-step guide called Freedom Formula Blueprint. So this is the exact system that I used for me to start my online business. It shows you exactly how to combine all these side hustles so that you can start seeing without confusion or wasting your time. So if you want to see if this is something that you can do, my friend, just grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. You're going to have a clear roadmap for you to start your own online business. In this video, we are talking about 6 simple side hustles that you can do straight from your phone to earn income online. So grab your phone, take a seat, and let's get started. Side hustle number 1, it's YouTube AdSense. This side hustle can change your life, I'm telling you. And the good part with YouTube AdSense, you get paid every single month because YouTube pays people when others watch their videos. YouTube AdSense, it's when YouTube places an ad on your videos and you get paid when people watches those ads. The good part is you don't need to be famous, you don't need thousands of followers, you just need to create help videos. So here is how it works. So you need to choose a topic that you are good at, something that you can teach others or something that you can share. You're good with cooking, you're good with cleaning hacks or how to make money online. So once you choose a topic, you need to start creating videos about that. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then YouTube start paying you every single month. So, and I know there's a mom who started with zero experience. She didn't know anything about the online space. She started a YouTube channel. She knows how to bake cakes. So she opened a YouTube channel and started teaching people how to bake cakes. And she has finally monetized her account. She gets paid every single month. So the good part is if you want to start your YouTube channel, my friend, you don't need to be famous. You don't need to have huge social media following or to have some experience for you to start. Side hustle number 2, it's affiliate marketing. And this is where now you promote someone else's products and you earn a commission every single time someone buys through your link. And the good news is you don't need to create those products, my friend, because companies already have products. So they just need people to talk about them. So affiliate marketing simply means you're promoting someone else's product. You're not the one who created it. You just get a special link, you start promoting it. And once somebody buys through your link, that special link, you earn a commission. So just sign up for programs like Amazon Associates. So once you visit their website, you are going to find different types of products. So just get a link and start promoting it. You can upload it on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. Then that's it, my friend. That's how you do it. And I love affiliate marketing because it feels natural. You are not forcing anything. Just share what helped you. That's it. Side hustle number 3 is selling digital products. And this one, I'm telling you, completely changed my mindset. Because instead of selling other people's product like affiliate marketing, you are selling your own digital product. A digital product is something that you can create online, something that people can download, like an ebook, a checklist, a budget planner, and a guide. The good part of digital products, there is no shipping, there is no inventory when you are selling digital products. Okay, so now how can you create those digital products? So the first thing is you need to choose something that you know. So you create it in Canva, you upload it on platforms like Hip, you upload it on your social media platform. So once you do that and start now creating videos talking about that same product that you've already created. And that's it. So when somebody clicks on the link, and if it's something that they are looking for, they buy it from there and automatically you get paid. Side hustle number 4, it's memberships. This one builds steady monthly income. Instead of selling one time, people keep on paying you every single month. And here's what I mean about membership. Membership, it's a private group where people pay you every single month to learn from you. They get support from you and they get access to the special contents that you are creating. If you want to start memberships, you can create a school community. You can just go on school, just search and see types of communities that people have already created. What is something that I know that I can teach? And now you start promoting your community on your social media platforms. So you can create your community on school, or you can create your community on Facebook. Those people are joining in your community because you are teaching them, you are giving them support, and you can charge them, like for somebody to be in your community, you can charge them maybe if it's $7 or $10, $25. We have people are charging $97 just to be part of that community. Every single month they have to renew their memberships. This is the good part of having your own community. Let me say, if you have 50 members in your community and every single month each person has to pay, you know, it's maybe if it's $20, if you put, okay, people, for somebody to be in my community, they have to pay $20. So if you multiply $20 by 50 members who are in your community, my friend, that it's coming to $1,000, and that means every single month, my friend, you'll be making 1,000. And if you just keep on promoting your community, start delivering value, those people inside your community, they'll start now bringing other people who want to learn what you're offering. So that's the good part of having a community. So let's go now to side hustle number 5. Side hustle number 5 is consulting. And I know you've not realized this, my friend, because somebody is already paying someone else for the knowledge that you already have. Because people will pay for clarity, you know, they don't want confusion. Consulting simply means people pay you for advice or guidance. Maybe you're good at budgeting, maybe you're good at parenting, people pay you for that knowledge. So here is how it works. So you just offer 30 to 1 hour course. People will be booking you and pay you for the advice. So let's go to side hustle number 6, the last one, and this is the one that helped me, my friend, to start my online business, which is e-learning program, my friend, which comes with master resale rights, because I didn't know exactly how to do any of these. So I needed guidance and I needed somebody to show me step by step how to do it. This program is a live interactive program which I took, which taught me digital marketing, email marketing, content creation, affiliate marketing, how to sell digital products, and how to build a real online business step by step. Because, you know, I know exactly how it feels like to want to help financially but not know exactly how you can do that as a stay-at-home mom. And you're applying for something that you can do around your kids while being a full-time stay-at-home mom and without leaving your kids. The best part that blew my mind was it came with master resale right, so which meant I could resell the same program which I was learning from and make 100% profit. What I did, I took a course to learn how to do this. But the good part is it gave me my first digital product that I can sell, something that I did not even have to create. That was crazy, I'm telling you, my friend. Being a busy mom, it mattered a lot to me because I didn't have time to start figuring out which product should I create. So this became the foundation that helped me to learn these skills and be able to help financially while being a full-time stay-at-home mom. Straight from my phone, working during nap time, working in the evenings, working from anywhere in the world. The good part is you don't need experience, you don't need tech skills, and you don't need to be a social media expert, my friend, for you to start this business. And this is the starting point that I always recommend for beginners, because it gives you the foundation, gives you the understanding, everything that you need. This is a business in box. If you're looking for a future, flexible, proof income, you're not too late, my friend. What you need, you just need a clear starting point. And that's what this program is. It shows you exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do, my friend, because this is something that worked for me. And this is the same program that I recommend to others who are looking for a way to start an online business. So if you're that mom who wants to help financially without leaving your kids, my friend, this is the starting point. Grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below and get your step-by-step roadmap, and comment below in the comment section which one of these 6 side hustles are you going to try, my friend. And please don't forget to subscribe so that every single time I post a video you get notified. And thank you for watching, my friend. I really appreciate it. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Bye.